In this video we continue the training course for local governments, innovative social services and supportive measures for well-aging. While many municipal and county administrations have been using the same working procedures for decades, technological innovation in the private sector has forced the public sector to innovate and introduce modern infrastructure and services. Local authorities can apply business innovation to organize service delivery, streamline communication with constituents, and collect the data needed to make decisions to make local government more efficient and inclusive. There is no denying that technology is the key to local government innovation. When you plan to innovate in your local area, you need to prepare local authorities to do so. Local authority managers need to introduce innovative thinking to all staff. One of the more interesting tools for innovative thinking is design thinking. The Argentum project partners have chosen the Double Diamond design model and widely present it as training course for developers. Integrated innovative services designed for aging people in information technology, welfare, health, tourism. The Double Diamond design process model is the most commonly used model for structuring design projects. Very often, and still to this day, design is associated only with the aesthetic aspect of objects, when in fact its application is much broader. The EU Commission's Design as a Driver for User-Driven Innovation, 2009, defines design as a strategic, multifunctional and multidisciplinary innovation activity. Today, design can be applied in industry, commerce, service companies and public sector organizations, and the object of design can be a product, a service, a means of communication, a living environment, or the identity of a company or organization. However, even in cases where the Double Diamond method will be applied, it should be borne in mind that this method must be based on accepted provisions such as people first, communicate in a visual and engaging way, collaborate and create together, creating iterations. The Double Diamond model provides a graphic representation of a design process as such. The model represents 4 key phases of the process. 1. Discovery, understanding the problem. 2. Defining the problem. 3. Development, developing possible solutions. 4. Delivery, choosing and developing the solution. Each stage is characterized by divergent thinking, generating a range of possible ideas, or convergent thinking, refining and narrowing the best ideas. This model shows that in order to find the best ideas, the creative process should be iterative. Ideas should be generated, tested and refined several times, and weak ideas should be discarded during the process. Naturally, people living in different countries, geographical areas and demographic groups, age, race, income level, etc., face different problems. Modern government needs to adapt to all constituencies in order to innovate. In addition, the recruitment of government officials must take into account people from all walks of life, and the different dimensions of important policy decisions. Diversity should be the key to keeping voters happy, and innovation will benefit the majority of voters. Too often, governments fail to innovate because of frozen processes and a general call to be safe. To be an innovative government, local governments should experiment with new, modern approaches to municipal county processes. Calculated risks, such as digital transformation, are a smart way to make a difference, saving time and money for local authorities across the country, as the use of different software should be non-negotiable in the 21st century. Software is a useful technology to connect with constituents on district issues. With a simple phone applications, community members can easily report anything from garbage sorting to flooding. Voters will feel that their voice is being heard, and the relevant government services will be automatically notified. This is the truest confirmation that people understand the benefits of innovation, and approve of changing routines. In the following tutorial video, we will continue to talk about silver economy.